Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So today is pick a card. I'm back with my pick a card. Now this is set 1. I have kept my witches runes and I have kept a beautiful card here, and this is card 2. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to decide as to which card you want, card 1 or card 2. Okay, so let's go with card 1. Blessings. Today I count my blessings, small and large, and I notice the new gifts that come to me from God. So, a day of blessings. Some of you may feel that whatever was pending for a long time has started working, and some of you may not understand why things are not working in your favor and why things are going bad. In both the cases, I would just say count on your blessings that you have right now, which many don't have, and maybe today is not the day and tomorrow is the day, or upcoming days are the days meant for you. So just count your blessings, be happy, and stay in gratitude, even if it is a small things that will make your life beautiful. And because it says count your blessings, maybe today in a small piece of paper write 5 things or write 11 things that you are grateful to, read them out loudly, and burn that paper and throw the ashes in the universe, saying that you're blessed, you're blessed, and you're blessed. Like, I am blessed, I am blessed, and I am blessed. Let's see what the witches runes has for you. Now that's an eye. Maybe the eye symbol is trying to give you an indication to be careful and to look out for things that are you know coming in front of you and not able to show their real picture, because sometimes what we see is not what is the reality, and at times we get cheated by what we are seeing. So have a look out of what is happening around you. If you feel someone is doing something behind your back, then maybe this rune is the indication for that. Also today, burn a white candle for clarity, that if there's something which is happening behind your back and you're not knowing it, then you get a clarity on it and you come to know what is happening. That is one thing you can do. Also today, if you can offer some yellow fruits to cow, it will be very, very beneficial for you. And wear the color light blue today. So let's see what is the card 2. People have selected card 2. Beautiful card, God. It says, I step out of the way and surrender any need for control in order to make room for God's healing. Now, if you see here, all of them are expecting for God. So maybe today God is saying, surrender your things to me, and I shall do whatever I can do to help you or to sail you through whatever you feel is not coming in your favor. But I feel when you see God, it means you are already blessed and things are going to be in your favor. So there's nothing to worry. But even then, we will see what is the witches runes coming. Star. Now that's a beautiful indication that it's going to be a bright day, a beautiful day, and a day of blessings and a day of positivity around you. You can wear something in dark green today so that prosperity and abundance flow in your life. Also, in the morning, if you can chant any Ganesh mantra which you like chanting, start your day with chanting that and wear the color dark green. And in the evening, if possible, if you can feed a poor person or a stray animal, blessings will come back to you tenfold. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.